So website footprinting is what we can say, gather the information about this particular website, right? So to extracting the website with the online portal, what we have, that web data extractor, right? So with the help of web data extractor, we can simply gather the information, or we can extract the open file, the hidden file folder, right? Or some kind of languages, what language or concept they use in this website over the online, right? If you notice, now we have like multiple way to find out those informations, right? So the very first point, web data extractor, just click on that. Here we have a URL, simple select and all those things, and then download, right? Find these. Okay, in my system this tool is by default already downloaded that. Icon for the same. Okay, and information, right? Here we have options, and click on the new session. Actually mentions everything. What you need to mention, that the session's name, right? You can mention that I want to store something session, depend on that, like how I want to store that, this URL. So we can say open with cloud sessions. Okay, and then again you can simple mention the session, all those things, then which URL you have that. Okay, so you have a search engine, you can mention the Facebook and all those things, multiple keyword, or you have a lot of URL, you can mention the URL list, or you can browse from the portal. Either we have a single site. For now I just mention my site, something name like https www.openwebcloud. So just mentions everything. So verify those, capture those information and session's name and everything, right? Just click on the start. This time we're getting this. So what we are getting, that we have this process URL, and now we have a total. Okay, so we like meta tagging, and these are my email addresses, and we like a real phone number 8010 and all those things. I know this phone number, right? And then the link actually, and we have only one domain for now, right? Now the next what we have, st track. Okay, so as name represent, what we can say website copier, or we can say the cloning. Wanted to copy the websites and all, what we can do, that we can use this particular st track. It's a free. Okay, so we have a download section, and then depend on that, like download those 3264 bit, and after download that, simple run website copier, and now simple next, right? Project name, that could be like I just mentioned demo project. Okay, and the website are going to store inside the C drive under the my website folder. Okay, it automatically create the folder for you. Click on the next, and then mention the URL. I need to copy which URL, either you can simply type those URL here as well. Click on the next sections. Okay, and simple click on the finish, and everything, it will take time. Okay, so we notice now it's trying to copy entire website and store in your C drive my website folder, and here we have a my demo. Inside that we have a portal. Which portal we have a okay, right? After that you'll get this information, and then after click on those indexing the PHP, you'll open that page is actually like that. And then finally in the website footprinting, the next we have a grecon, that we can say Google Recon. Now, so what grecon exactly? Okay, this is also a tool to extract informations about in portal or site. Already have a my grecon. Okay, so we already have all the tools you guys can download from the GitHub actually, right? So in my case already have a tool, I just already get cloning those things. And here we have again requirement.txt install. For now I'm going to install this requirement.txt. In my case already this package are satisfied because already earlier we did that. And now run this with the help of Python 2 or Python 3 program. Just hit enter, it will prompt you for the target actually. So trying to run. Okay, yeah, so now mention the target site, right? So let me use my website webasha.com, right? Hit enter. It will search the subdomain, everything we can say, not in the detail, but again we'll gather some kind of information, right? If you notice now what I'm getting, that I'm getting like some training, LMS, project. So these are my website, these are my subdomain, and also for the more subdomain actually it will show that, right? So like center.webasha, now they are trying to fetch the login web pages, right? We have like something webasha.com/login, something like that. So these are some login pages about those LMS. Okay, if you forget the password, everything, you can just click on this URL to get the password, the register pages, the server pages, and all those things, everything will show that.